Welcome to this video on the role of generative AI in customer support workflows. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the role of generative AI in enhancing customer support workflows and list some of its applications. Imagine a frustrated customer typing a complaint at midnight. Generative AI steps in, understands the issue instantly, and resolves it before they can even hit send. Generative AI is transforming customer support workflows in numerous ways. Let's explore the role of generative AI in customer support workflows. Generative AI automates routine tasks, provides real-time assistance, and personalizes interactions. It streamlines workflows across industries by understanding natural language, generating human-like responses, and delivering actionable insights. From automating conversations and suggesting solutions to creating detailed reports, generative AI engages customers in natural, conversational ways, reducing reliance on human agents while enhancing the overall customer experience. Now, let's dive into how generative AI improves these workflows. Generative AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants can understand and respond to customer inquiries via text, voice, or even image input. Customers initiate interactions through channels such as chat, email, or voice, and generative AI processes these requests by analyzing the query, retrieving relevant data, and generating meaningful responses. The system seamlessly escalates the issue to a human agent for complex inquiries. This automation reduces response times, provides 24/7 support, and handles high volumes of requests, ensuring scalability without additional resources. For example, an AI-powered chatbot integrated with a company's website can address common queries such as, "What are your business hours?" or "How can I track my order?" while freeing human agents to manage more intricate issues. Generative AI can automatically categorize, prioritize, and route customer issues to the appropriate team based on predefined rules or the inquiry's context. It is invaluable for businesses to manage large volumes of support tickets. The AI categorizes incoming tickets by analyzing their content, such as issue type, severity, and urgency, and then generates an initial response or troubleshooting guide for the customer. It assigns the ticket to the correct team, such as technical support or billing, based on its classification. This process ensures efficient ticket triage by prioritizing critical issues, reduces human involvement in repetitive tasks such as sorting and initial responses, and accelerates customer response times. For example, in a software as a service or SaaS company, if a customer submits a technical support ticket, the AI can analyze the content, assign it to the right team, and suggest immediate fixes, such as resetting a password or clearing the browser cache. Generative AI can analyze past customer interactions, purchase history, or other data to generate highly personalized responses, creating a more engaging and effective support experience. By pulling data from a customer relationship management or CRM system or support history, it tailors responses to remember previous issues, preferences, or requests. It can even offer proactive assistance, such as suggesting relevant products or services based on behavior or past inquiries. This approach increases customer satisfaction by making interactions feel more personal, provides proactive support by anticipating customer needs, and improves agent efficiency by equipping them with contextual insights for faster, informed responses. For instance, a customer who regularly purchases a specific product might receive personalized chatbot support with maintenance tips or recommendations for complementary items based on their purchase history. Generative AI enhances self-service portals and knowledge bases by delivering instant answers to FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and how-to articles while also generating new content based on emerging customer queries. By analyzing customer questions, it matches them to a database of articles and provides the most relevant response, either directly or through links to useful resources. Additionally, it updates or creates new knowledge-based content to address recurring or new issues. This empowers customers to find solutions independently, reduces the workload on human agents by handling repetitive queries, and ensures the knowledge base stays current. For example, if a customer asks, "How do I reset my password?" the AI can instantly provide a step-by-step guide or a direct link to the relevant article. Many customer support agents spend considerable time on administrative tasks, such as updating CRM records, managing schedules, and responding to internal requests. Generative AI can automate these tasks, enabling agents to concentrate on more complex issues. It automatically updates customer records, logs interactions, adds notes to CRM systems, generates reports on sentiment and issue resolution times, and schedules follow-up tasks or reminders. This increases efficiency by saving agents time, reducing data entry errors, and providing better insights through real-time analytics. For example, after a conversation, generative AI can automatically log the issue, update the CRM with feedback, and schedule a follow-up email to the customer. Let's look at some real-world applications of generative AI in customer support workflows. In e-commerce, generative AI helps online retailers handle product inquiries, shipping, returns, and refunds by providing instant responses and proactive support based on purchase history. In telecommunications, generative AI automates ticket categorization and route requests and offers troubleshooting steps for common issues such as Wi-Fi router resets, while resolving simple queries such as account balances and plan changes. For financial institutions, generative AI chatbots manage transactional inquiries, generate loan application documents, and offer personalized banking services based on customers' financial histories. In IT support, generative AI assists with troubleshooting, generates knowledge base articles, automates ticketing, and routes issues to the appropriate technicians based on severity. In this video, you learned that generative AI enhances customer support workflows by automating customer interactions, supporting intelligent ticketing and resolution, personalizing customer interactions, enhancing knowledge bases, and automating routine administrative tasks. Generative AI offers applications in improving customer support workflows in e-commerce, telecommunications, financial management, and IT support.